In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make all images the same size in Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a professional presentation or a simple slideshow, uniform image sizes can make your slides look clean and polished. Let's dive into the steps to accomplish this efficiently. First, we need to get started by navigating to Google Slides. If you're unfamiliar with it, Google Slides is a versatile tool for creating presentations, and it's accessible directly from your browser. Head over to slides.google.com to begin. Once you're there, sign into your Google account using your credentials. This step is essential because it allows you to access your existing projects and create new presentations with ease. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. From here, you have the option to start a fresh presentation by clicking on the blank presentation option, or if you prefer, you can choose from one of the available templates that Google provides. Templates can be particularly helpful if you're looking for a specific design style or don't want to start from scratch. Now that you've opened or created a presentation, it's time to address those images. Click on an image in your presentation to select it. This activates several options tailored to the content you've selected. With the image selected, look towards the top of your screen and click on Format Options. A sidebar will appear on the right-hand side of your screen with a range of formatting tools specific to the item you've chosen. In this sidebar, locate and click on Size and Rotation. This section provides you with controls to adjust the size of your image, and it can be a valuable way to ensure each image in your presentation is uniform. You'll see fields where you can input the desired height and width of your images. For consistent sizing, you might want to choose specific measurements and apply these dimensions to every image in your slideshow. If you prefer to resize your images manually, you can do so by clicking and dragging the corner handles of each image until they fit your desired size. However, keep in mind that this manual approach might not achieve perfect uniformity. For precision, it's better to input exact size values using the aforementioned size and rotation fields, ensuring all images are proportionally identical. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can make all the images in your Google Slides presentation the same size, creating a more organized and visually appealing slideshow. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your future presentations. Happy creating,